it's never too soon to start thinking about the Oscars. You can always tell when the movie comes out at Christmas. Those are always the Oscar films. So Marty Supreme, and the big surprise, not Timothée Chalamet or Gwyneth Paltrow, who is his co-star. There's someone else who is co-starring with him.
Everything in my life's falling apart, but I'm gonna figure it out.
Do you need any help? I could help you.
I know it's hard to believe, but I'm telling you, this game, it fills stadiums overseas. And it's only a matter of time before I'm staring at you from the cover of a Wheaties box.
I'm not trying to control you, Marty.
It is unacceptable! It's unacceptable!
But I don't think you understand the stakes. You have no power here.
Seems pretty obvious to me. I mean, Chalamet was getting all of his energy from Kevin O'Leary. I'm shocked by this, but I'm thrilled.
Who would have thought a film about ping pong is reportedly shattering box office records for the studio A24, and it's getting rave reviews. Mr. Wonderful, how did you get involved with a movie about ping pong?
Well, Josh Safdie, Ronnie Bronstein, who wrote this script, they're geniuses. They did Uncut Gems, called me up and said, we're looking for a real a-hole, and you're it. We want that mean guy from Shark Tank. We love Shark Tank. We want you to be 1952. Milton Rockwell, you're the richest man in America. You're a royalty guy. You're married to Gwyneth Paltrow, and we think you can do it.
Everything works. Kevin O'Leary, he's from Shark Tank. He plays like a pivotal character in this. It is not a small part, and he's very good. And this is a movie that's going all the way. I think it'll be in the conversation for sure for Best Picture and then across the board.
Kevin O'Leary, who's never acted before.
Never.
He's extraordinary.
I know.
Like when they say a natural, I mean,
He's natural. It's incredible. In fact, the other night after the premiere, I was talking to a friend and she said, can't place that actor. What? He's the character actor. I've seen him before. And I said, no, he's not. It's Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. And my friend was so stunned.
I mean, I know Josh Safdie cast him because he sort of wanted an asshole, as he said, or somebody like that. And that's kind of the image he has.
Yeah, for sure.
Although he's not that guy, really. But in this movie, it's so natural. I kept thinking, what about all the actors there that have like worked for decades and they're going like, I could have played that role.
Now it's in wide release. I think it's going to be one of the big movies heading into the end of the year.
You know what people are talking about there, Paul? They're talking about Kevin O'Leary in that movie, and he plays himself, shall we say.